Hello my students, how are you? Grade 4. Today we'll explain lesson number 2, topic 2, estimate sums and difference. What about the estimation here? Estimation, it's meaning approximating to the nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, or you can estimate by using int front strategy. Okay, you can use rounding or about place value about left hand side. Like 6127, this number we can write 6000 by front end strategy. In this lesson we will study approximating about 8 and subtract 2 numbers. Solve and share. Vector in vitro produces 3 cars that weight 6127 pounds, 4650 pounds and 3393 pounds. These are loaded on a truck. He has the truck which is 15,000 pound maximum. We estimate to decide solve the problem. Okay, we can solve this example by approximating each number to the nearest thousand. This is the first number here will be 6000. We have here in this example like this 6127. We can approximate this number to the nearest thousand. The result will be 6000. And also 4682, we can approximate this number to the nearest thousand. 6 can give 1 to left hand side. Result will be 5000 also, because 6 can give 1 to 4. And also the result number 3393, we can approximate this number to the nearest thousand. 3 can't give 1 and the result will be 3000. Okay, and we have two solution here. Now we can write this draw this page, this number. You might want to add the number and then find the sum between two numbers. You can find the sum between three numbers to find the actual number, and we are combining between the approximating and the whole number. So you can using horizontal and the vertical to find the 8. Okay, so then you can add together. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 equal 12, 2 and the carry of 1, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 9 14, 4 and the carry of 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 9 plus 8 equals 17, 7 and the carry of 1, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 3 equal 14. The result will be 14,742. Okay, you can use this method and combining between this number and approximating. You can add together here, write 3 zeros, and 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 3 equals 13. This number greater than 13. Scenario 2 is answer reasonable. Okay, you can use this method or this method here, approximating to the nearest 100. You can approximate to the nearest thousands. I approximate here to the nearest thousand to find the result, or you can approximating to the nearest 100 like this answer. Okay, you can write this answer or this answer or this answer also. It's actual number. It's actual number here, comparing between it and the same number. Now last page here. Okay, this page you can write the simple answer about this. An estimate is enough to tell that the total weight of the 3 cars is less than 15,000 pound maximum. Okay, it's approximating less than the nearest number. This number was 14,000. You can approximate to the nearest 1,000 or 100, please, as you like. You can solve or find the result by 2 methods. Now we can find the number like this and approximate to the nearest 1,000 like solved last time. Okay, we'll give you this example here. Here, this example, we can find the actual number here, 4,298 plus 2,149. We can add together and we can approximate each number to the nearest 1,000. 4,000 and 2,000, some of them equal 6,000. Okay, then the difference 13,000 subtracted by 6,000 equals 7,000. First 100 simple answer. Use the second estimate. It indicates you can find the number here 6,500 to approximate it to the nearest 1,000. It will be 7,000 because 5 can give 1 to left hand side. Next question. We can write a difference between two numbers or together like this. about 39,482 plus 26,357. Add together, the result will be 65,839. Okay. Now we will find the estimation to find the result. As this example here, we'll write the answer. Okay, look at the steps, and this is a model answer, the simple answer here. Okay, and I will explain the solution here. Look at with me, 6,904 subtract by 4,111. We can find the difference. We know 4 minus 1 equals 3. 0 minus 1, we can't do it. So you must pull 1 from left hand side. 9 will be 8 and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 1 equals 9 and 8 minus 1 equals 7 and 6 minus 4 equals 2. Okay, then you can approximating each number to the nearest thousand. 9 can give 1 to 6, it will be 7,000, and 1 can give 1 to 4, the result will be 4,000. Then we can find the difference between them, the result will be 3,000. Understood? What about the simple answer here? Like solve it, we can approximate to the nearest 100. Okay, you can estimate to the nearest 100 or the nearest 1000 as you like. In this example here, approximating to the nearest 100. 3 can give 1 to 6, and the result will be 5,600. And here, 3,753 will be 3,800. We can find the difference between two numbers, or together. He wants 8 together. That will be 9,400. Okay. And also, we can write the actual number by 8 together. In the estimation here, 9 plus 8, 14. You know this example, 63,000. Okay, I will write the solution here. I will write the steps here about this example. Okay, we can approximate this number to the nearest 1000. We can write 6 and 3 and 3 zeros. Also write 8 to here 5. 0 can give 1 to 5, then the result will be 25,000. Then we can add together 3 plus 5 equal 8 and 6 plus 2 equal 8, and the result will be 88,000. Okay, but in this example we can change 3 because 5 can give 1 to 3, 3 will be 4. Understood? 5 can give 1 to 3, 3 will be 4, the result will be 64,000 because 526 is greater than the half, greater than 500. 25,000, so we can add together 5 plus 4 equal 9 and 6 plus 2 equal 8, the result will be 89,000. Also, this example, we can find the difference between two numbers by approximating each numbers here. First, look at about this place. To here, or like say, to approximate to the nearest what? To the nearest 10,000. 2 can give 1 to 6, then you can write 2, 6, and write 3 zeros here. Subtract by at this digit 3, 0 can give 1 to 3. We can write 1, 3, 0, and 3 zeros because 2 less than 5. So the difference between two numbers, we can write 6 minus 3 equal 3 and 2 minus 1 equal 1. The result will be 130,000. The difference between two numbers, 130,000. Okay. Next question. We can approximating like this, 5,000, 3,000. The result will be 5,000 plus 3,000 equal 8,000. And also, number we can approximate it to the nearest 100 is 0 can give 1 to 8, then the result will be 542,800. Also 27,398. Have 9 can give 1 to 3, 3 will be 4. Then the difference between them, we have 515 and 400. Next example here, 9 can give 1 to 4. I will explain the steps. Okay, understood. I will explain all the steps. Okay, like this, I write. We have 49,761 8 to 59,499. We can approximate to the nearest hundreds or the nearest thousands, 10,000. In this example, he approximated to the nearest 10,000. So 10,000 here 4. 9 can give 1 or not? Yes, 9 can give 1 to 4. 4 will be 5, and then write 0 and 3 zeros. 8 2, write 3 zeros here, and we can write 0 also. 9 can give 1 to 5, yes, it will be 6. Then you can add together 0 0 0 and 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 5 equal 11. The result will be 110,000. Next question number 8. We can add together this number. We will solve the steps. Look at here. This number we want approximating this number to the nearest what? To the nearest 100. Here we want to find the result by the approximating. Okay, look at the steps here. This number 4,225 plus 298. We can approximate each one to the nearest what? To the nearest 100. 2 can give 1 2, then we can write 4 2 and double 0, 4,200. And here we can write double 0 and 9 can give 1 to 0. The result will be 100. 4,200 plus 100 will be 4,300. Understood? It's the steps to find the result. You must write the steps. And this question we can approximate this number to the nearest what? To the nearest last step here about you can approximate to the nearest 100,000. We have 738,775. 3 can give 1 to 7, then we can write 7 and 5 zeros behind it. And next number we have 272,044. We can approximate it to the nearest 100,000. 7 can give 1 to 2 will be 3. Because 7 greater than 5. Any number greater than 5 or less than 10 can give 1. Okay, then 7 can give 1 to 2. 2 will be 3 and write 0, 0 and 3 zeros. And then we can add together, write 3 zeros and 0 plus 0 and 7 plus 3 equal 10. And the result will be 1 million. 1 million. Okay, this is the total answer. Next question, 24,300 subtract by 10,125. We can approximate each one to the nearest thousandths place. 3 can give 1 to 4, then we can write 4, 2 and 3 zeros here. And also we can write 3 zeros. 1 can give 1 to 0, then we can write 0 and 1. Find the difference, write 3 zeros and 4 minus 0 equal 4, 2 minus 1 equal 1. The result will be 14 thousandths. Okay, this example, you can solve this example by this method also. Number 485,635 subtract by 231,957. Okay, we can find the difference between two numbers by approximating to the nearest 10,000. We can approximate each one to the nearest 10,000 place. 5 here can give 1 to 8. It will be 9. Then we can write 4, 9, 0 and 3 zeros. Subtract by this number. 1 can give 1 to 3. Then we can write 2, 3 and 3 zeros. Then the difference between them, we can write 8 here and 10. 8 minus 1 equal 9 and 8 minus 3 5 and 4 minus 2 equal 2. Then the result will be 259, because here 1 can give 1 and 5 give 1. This number we can approximating also to the nearest one, to the nearest 10,000. I approximate here to the nearest 1,000. Okay, but I can solve it to nearest approximate to the nearest 10,000. 9 can give 1. It will be 260,000. And also question number 12 and 13. 9,668 subtract by 2,489. We can approximate each one to the nearest 100. Write double 0 and 6 can give 1 to 6 will be 7 and then 9. Right here double 0 and 4, 8 can give 1. Yes, it gave 1 to 4 will be 5 and write 2. 7 minus 5 2 and 9 minus 2 equals 7. That will be 7,200. We can practice about this example. Look at here. This example gives me the information from this table. Numbers of students in District 37. Wilson Elementary, West Academy, Amy Character School, Everest Elementary. Okay. You want to find what? You want to find the sum of. The table here shows the number of students at each school in the district. It is 2,981 reasonable for the total number of students of Wilson Elementary and Kawama Character School. And explain. Okay, we can add together first The type this code, this name of school, Weston Elementary. The number was 1000. Can add together. The first number was be 1523, and the next number in the second school, the name of it was Kwame Charter School. Kwame Charter School 1458. 1458. Okay, we can use approximating here. This number we can approximating, and this number we can approximating it. The first number to the next 100, write double zero, and 2 can give 1 to 5. 1500, and here double zero, 5 can give 1 to 4, to be 5, and write 1. And 0 we can add together. 0 plus 0 equals 0, 0 plus 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, and carry up 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1 equals 3. The result here will be 3000. Then this number is reducible nearest to the number, so the approximating will be 3000 nearest to the actual number. In the total number, 2981 is reducible because it's close to the estimate. The number is nearest to this, so it's responsible. Write this word, responsible, because it is close to his estimate. Next question. Satellite moves at speed 27,950 kilometers per hour. Satellite at higher orbit travels at a speed of 11,120 kilometers per hour. About how much faster is one satellite than the other, and explain how to estimate. We can find the number here first and second, and approximate it together to find the answer between them, like this. Steps. Okay, I will explain the steps here. Okay. We have the first number 27,950 subtract by 11,190. We can approximate each number to the nearest what? To the nearest thousandth place. 9 can give 1 to 7, then it will be 8, and then write 3 zeros. And also write 3 zeros here. 1 can give 1, yes, can't give 1. Then we can find the difference, 3 zeros, and 8 minus 1, 7, 2 minus 1 equal 1. The result would be 17,000. Okay. Next question. He says, when rounding to the nearest thousands, this number it will be 930,000. And do you agree or not? You want to approximate to the nearest thousands. The thousand place here, it will be what? 929. Not this number, because the approximating here to the nearest what? To the nearest 10,000. Understood? No, because the simple answer here we have 928,000, 674. We can approximate it to the nearest thousand will be what? Write 3 zeros, and 6 can give 1 to 8. Yes, it will be 9, and 2 and 9. 929,000. So it's wrong. Okay. The order thinking here. The football team needs to sell at least 20,000 tickets to 2 games to cover expenses. They sell 10,184 tickets to 1 game and 9,723 to other game. Estimate by rounding to the nearest 1,000 and by rounding to the nearest 100. Okay. First number 20,000, and we have 20,000 and 19,900. Okay, this number we can approximating 19,900 to the nearest what? To the nearest 10,000. 9 can give 1, yes, it will be 2, and 0 and 3 zeros, it will be 20,000. The answer here will be what? 20,000. The team didn't sell enough tickets because the second estimate indicated that they didn't sell enough tickets, and it should be closer to actual sum because the rounded numbers are closer to the actual number. Okay, this number, if you approximate it to the nearest 10,000 place, it will be 20,000 like this. Next question. Last week, Morley flew 2 round trips. They were 3,720 miles and 5,989 miles. Which is the best estimate of the total distance? The best here will be what? We have 5 and 3. We can add together in the estimation. We will find the total distance like this. 3,720 to 5,985. We can approximate each one. We want approximate to the nearest what? To the nearest nearest 100. Write double 0. 2 can't give 1 to 7. Then the result will be 7 and 3. And we can write double 0. 8 can give 1 to 9. 9 will be 10. 0 and carry 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. And then we can add together 0, 0. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 6 plus 3 equals 9. And the result will be 9,700. And also estimation decide which is principal difference. We have 38,041 subtract by 19,558. Okay, we can approximate, find the difference between two numbers. You want to find what? The actual number. Okay, the actual number we can put 1. 1 minus 4 we can do it. Put 1. 4, 11 minus 8 equal 3. And put 1 here, it will be 7. 10 minus 1, 9. 13 minus 5 equal 8. 9 minus 5 equal 4. And 7 minus 9 we can do it. 17 minus 9 equal 8. 2 minus 1 equal 1. You can find the actual between them. So find the difference. Okay? Last question. Next time we'll complete. Goodbye.